Quackler to not be mad at us anymore.
He's old. There's only one way to do that.
This is gonna suck. A lot. Mr. Quackler, we're sorry.
No! Those adorable eyes!
Please, tell us a story.
Can't resist!
Then please de-age everyone and then tell us another
Now.
You know, sis, I think I really learned something here.
Respect your elders?
Yep, because everybody has something to teach you, no matter how old they are. Except that guy.
My cholesterol!
The following is a general audience movie.
Well, wait a minute. Cut! Where's the eye going? Did Q mean the eye? The eyes of a... What? It's okay. Let's bring the eye back and then we'll do take two. Cut! Okay, who's responsible for swapping K9's colors? Actually, it was Y's fault. Oh. We'll just swap you guys back to normal and then we'll do take three. Cut! We have a different letter. C! Oh, I'm just D's replacement because D's playing Angry Birds. Sorry I don't have a footage. Waiting. After we'll do take four. You gotta be kidding me. Cut! Why's PBS Kids will go here? Yeah, about that. So, do you want to play?
Sure.
It's okay. We'll just wait before S to come back, and then we'll do take five. Cut! We have another different letter. Oh my gosh. R! Oh, I'm just K's replacement because K's at Best Buy with L and M. Sorry I don't have a footage. So much waiting again. After we'll do take six.
Wait right here. We'll be right back to the show on Disney Channel.
Spend your weeknights right here on Disney Junior. From dinner time to bedtime, your Disney Junior friends are ready to wind down with you.
It's spinning!
So dim the lights. Put on your jammies and settle in for weeknights on Disney Junior.
Rhinoceros.
You're back.
Weeknights starting at 6/5 Central on Disney Junior.
Well, everybody, they're building the island of luxury. It's called Dream Island.
64 contestants. One island.
We'll lose a full bunch.
Please, smart.
Crazy challenges. And more.
So, how How much will it cost?
Not even a penny.
Then I'll take it.
Catch the gang of Battle for Dream Island, Monday to Friday at 10 a.m. and at 4:30 p.m. on Teens Channel.
Hey Leafy, what is it, Pen? Have you tried the new Soda Supreme? No. Why? Because it's very tasty. Try it. It's super good. Look at the wrapping. Isn't the wrapping perfect though? No, it sucks. You're not gonna actually drink it, are you? Yes, but first... Ah! That's what happens when you don't drink Soda Supreme. So get some now.
Weekdays on Kids Channel.
It is time for Cake at Stake.
More than 20 contestants are trying to win one whole cool dream island. So join these cool object talking characters as they go on contests to win some cool prizes. And one of them is getting kicked out.
You know, I've actually been thinking of doing more pranks, but, well, recovery centers, my inspiration, they're all gone.
Well, there's something that are not gone, and it's to have fun with your favorite characters on Battle for Dream Island from the creators of The Power of Two. Weekdays at 10 a.m. on Kids Channel.
Hey TiVo, wanna try lunch yet? No way, Maya. I got something delicious on my musical lunchbox. Sandwich group, cow group, jungle group, Butterfinger group. Hey, there's no Butterfinger group. Oh, I forgot, Maya. The Butterfinger group provides a bunch of peanut butter and chocolate taste essential for survival. I don't have the Butterfinger group. Looks like I got a lot of nutrition, Maya. Nobody lays a finger on my Butterfinger.
Let's do Cake at Stake.
You've waited long enough. Now back to the show on Disney Channel. This is a general audience program.
Cut! We made another color blooper. Oh my gosh! Can you please stop it with a color blooper? D, calm down. You don't want to rage every single time. Remembering these raging. That was a wonderful blessing. Anyways, you guys and the worst TVO have a secret wife of pets colors. Oh, whoops. It's okay. We'll just get back into the normal colors and then take 7. Okay, so far so good. Never mind, cut! What happened this time? A box landed on top of K. I don't see what you mean. Oh my! K, what happened? It's okay. Let's get the box out of the studio and then we'll do take 8. Cut! Okay, who's responsible for swapping K-Ness's colors? Whoa! It wasn't me. It was S's fault. Actually, it wasn't me either. Okay. It was my fault. Ky'mani! How could you do that? Enough of this talk. Change the colors back to normal, and then we'll do take 9.
Hang tight. We'll be right back to the show on Disney Channel.
Ooh, yummy.
I'll take that, thank you.
Whatever, it wasn't mine anyways.
It wasn't mine either. I just want one. Okay then.
Hey, that's mine!
Huh? Hey!
Get a crispity, crunchity, peanut buttery burst in every bite of Butterfinger.
Nobody better lay a finger On my Butterfinger.
Here on Disney Junior.
Broccoli, Walnut, and your friends. Broccoli and Walnut. Yeah.
It's Broccoli and Walnut, and they're on Disney Junior every day. Wherever there's transforming into plushies, being in tournaments, battling an evil puppy, or helping your friend on their date. Yep, everything looks normal around here, doesn't it? Watch Broccoli and Walnut every day on Disney Junior. New from the Alphabet Park, it's the Alphabet Park plushies! You can get the main 3 letters of the alphabet as plushies, and more plushies from the letters of the alphabet will be coming up very soon.
Look, I got the letter A.
Oh yeah, it's the letter B. Cool.
Sweet! I got myself the letter C. You can get the main 3 letters of the Alphabet Park in the Alphabet Park plushies, each sold separately. Get it out of the store today.
Spend your weeknights right here on Disney Junior. From dinner time to bedtime, your Disney Junior friends are ready to wind down with you.
It's spinning!
So dim the lights. Put on your jammies and settle in for weeknights on Disney Junior.
Rhinoceros.
You're back!
Weeknights starting at 6/5 Central on Disney Junior.
Hey, Broccoli and Walnut, are you two having a show on Disney Junior? Yes, we do. Meet Broccoli and Walnut in a brand new show, Broccoli and Walnut. Meet Broccoli, the silly one. Ha, I am a little silly.
And Walnut, the cool one. Yeah, and I am pretty cool. Ha. They live in Snackville,
Where the people are snacks and fruits. Did I mention Broccoli and Walnut are best friends? Yeah, we may be different, but we still are best friends, no matter what. Watch Broccoli and Walnut. Weekdays on Disney Junior.
Ooh, yummy.
I'll take that, thank you.
Whatever, it wasn't mine anyways.
It wasn't mine either. I just want one. Okay then.
Hey, that's mine!
Huh? Hey!
Get a crispity, crunchity, peanut buttery burst in every bite of Butterfinger.
Nobody better lay a finger on my Butterfinger.
Knock knock. Who's there? Disney Channel. Back to the show. This is a general audience program.
Oh no, not this again. No. Extreme Supreme Cut! This time we have a Coptic letter. Are you seriously kidding me right now? Hurry! Oh, I'm just Kay's replacement because Kay's at the canoeing trip with Truckers right now, so I cannot show the footage. It was at this moment that Q knew he messed up.
I'm tired of waiting for getting all of those bloopers now! This wedding driving to be insane! Let's go to take 10 already!
Cut! We made another color blooper! It was at this moment that Dean knew he messed up. Playdate with lowercase Diamond Tube and W. Sorry we don't have a footage. Why do we have to do so much waiting? After we'll do take 98. Cut! Did someone paint S yellow and clone themselves into 2 S's and have an eye? No, I'm just S's replacement because S doesn't feel so good right now. Here's the footage. Why do we have to keep waiting every... Q, calm down. You don't want to rage walk some gamers, Unikitty, and D. Thanks, I. After S comes back, we'll do take 99. Cut! Why you guys like that? Because it's almost the end of the movie. Wow, it's almost the end. Okay, take 100. Guess what, guys? It's the end!
We did it!
Present delivery!
Oh, thanks, Ryder.
You're welcome!
Dear TVO Kids, I want to see you making Aiden's TVO Kids Blooperganza 2. Love, Minion Pig. Well, looks like we're gonna make another movie to do. Cue the credits and ideas.
Here on Disney Junior.
Broccoli. Walnut. And her friends. Broccoli and Walnut. Yeah.
It's Broccoli and Walnut, and they're on Disney Junior every day. Wherever there's transforming into plushies, being in tournaments, battling an evil puppy, or helping your friend on your date. Yep, everything looks normal around here, doesn't it? Watch Broccoli and Walnut every day on Disney Junior.
We completely choked! Candy, you're great! You can't play nice with them!
I'm sorry, but it was Cakey and Jellybean.
We've all seen what you can do when you're mad. Make it happen if you don't want to be put up for elimination.
If we go up, you'll probably get eliminated anyway.
Excuse me?